test. Okay, so this is welcome to digital classes. समय 10 से 12 वाला हर घर बने पाठशाला. Your online test 3 of chemistry is going to be start, and we are taking the test of unit 2, that is structure of atom, class +1. So let's start without wasting any time. Let's start with the positive mindset, dear students. As usual, we are doing. So you can see the message: the harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieve it. So it is a very clear message. The harder you work for something, today if we are doing something, through these digital classes we are studying, so the more and more effort we'll put, more and more hard work we will put in these digital classes, so that definitely it will give us a great feeling, great result when we will achieve our target, whatever we have we are thinking. So let's move. These are the guidelines of online test. Test will be given on blank page. Everybody will sit in the position so that you all should be visible to me. Everybody will enable your camera screen. Test timing is 20 minutes and 10 marks. Question will display on screen one by one. Student has to write answer only with proper question number. The moment test will be over, you have to send me your photograph, and answer key will be provided to you after the test. So all the best. And the moment all will send me consent, I will start the test. So are you ready? Yes, okay, let's start. So first question is important terms. So from important terms, first define any two out of these four. So first is isotope, second is isobar, third is black body radiation, and fourth is mass number. So out of these four, you have to do any two: isotope, isobar, black body radiation, and mass number. Isotope, isobar, black body radiation, or mass number. Out of these four, you have to write definition of any two. Some of the students, they have disabled their camera, so I'm requesting, please, Nishant, Suhani, Kunal, Rupender, Vishwesh. Okay, Vishwesh is Pranjal. Enable your camera, please. So out of four, you have to define any two: isotope, isobar, black body radiation, and mass number. If you have done, so I'll move for next question. Should I move for next question? If you have done, so I will move for next question. Okay. Second question is from discovery of subatomic particles. So you have to explain the discovery of any two out of these three. Either you can write a short note on discovery of electron. It is of 1 mark. Okay, so simple, very simple, 2-3 lines you have to write only. Discovery of electron, second discovery of proton, third discovery of neutron. So out of these three, just explain the discovery of any two in your own word, in your own language. Explain the discovery of any two: discovery of electron, discovery of proton, or discovery of neutron. Explain the discovery of electron, discovery of proton, or discovery of neutron. Out of these three, you will explain any two. Kunal, get a little bit back. Some of the students actually they are not sitting according to my instruction, so I have some doubt on them. So it's your honesty that will pay for you. For me, so you are just sharing one photograph and I will check. But I wish you all will give these tests sincerely and honestly. Whether you will score only 2 marks, 3 marks, I am happy. But the work should be done sincerely and honestly. So it is of 2 marks. No need to write so lengthy. Whatever idea you have, जो भी आपके दिमाग में है, that you have to write. And I am going through the language of answer. Okay, whether it is exact answer or not, that doesn't matter. But whatever things you got in your mind when you were understanding the concept, that thing you have to write. Okay, I'm going for the next question. Should I move for next question? Okay, thank you, Nishant. So question number 3 is from structure of atom. Question number 3 is from structure of atom. So describe plum pudding model of an atom by J.J. Thomson and write its any two limitation. Although you studied it in 9th class also, so you can write that 9th class J.J. Thomson also. So describe plum pudding model of an atom by J.J. Thomson and write its any two limitations. If you don't know this, you can describe Rutherford gold foil experiment and write its two limitations. So now again, take care the weightage of answer 2 marks. So according to 2 marks, you have to write not more than 4 or 5 lines. So you have only 2 minutes. So please. J.J. Thomson's model of an atom or Rutherford's gold foil experiment. Choice is yours. See Aryan, Raghav, health, eating, sleeping. Only 2 work is there, I think, in lockdown. Am I right, Raghav? Okay, it's good. But I appreciate your concern that you join this live test and active, but be active on telephone call, conference call also. The moment you will do, you have done, to give me your consent so that I will move for next question. Okay, the moment you will finish, give me signal, I will move for next question. Out of these two, you have to do any one question. The moment you have done, or okay, so I'm moving for next question. The next question is from particle nature of an atom. Topic is particle nature of an atom. So the question is state Planck's quantum theory in 1 mark. Only definition and the formula. Yeah, the derivation equation. State Planck's quantum theory. And second, what do you mean by photoelectric effect? Here also you need to write the definition only. If you don't know these 2 questions, there is option. Option is describe Bohr's model and its limitation. Describe Bohr's model and its limitation. So choice is yours. Either you do first 2 1 marks, or you can do the choice second, Bohr's model. State Planck's quantum theory or second part of the same question is, what do you mean by photoelectric effect? Next, describe Bohr's model of its and its limitations. So choice is your. Vishwesh, what happened, beta? Am I audible to you? Clear? State Planck's quantum theory, or second, what do you mean by photoelectric effect, or describe Bohr's model of an atom and its limitations. It will be fast so that last 10 minutes I will clear your all the doubts, as this session is going to be end after 13 minutes. Should I move for next question? Should I move for next question? Give me your consent, then I will move for next question. Those who have done. So question number 5 is from topic quantum numbers and quantum mechanics. Sorry for this spelling, mechanics spelling MECHANICS. Quantum numbers and quantum mechanics. Okay, so drive de Broglie equation. You need to drive de Broglie equation in 1 mark, or write state Heisenberg uncertainty principle. If you don't know these two questions, so there is choice. Explain the quantum set. You know very well the 4 quantum set that day before yesterday I have taught you, and you need to write the relationship with each other also, how N is related to L, how L is related to M, how M is related to S. So you have 2 minutes. Too fast. Very good. 1, 2, 3. So if you have done, so you can send these photographs to me on my personal WhatsApp. Explain the quantum set. 4 set is there. You need to define, you need to write 1 by 1, and then describe the relationship with each other. You just have to send photograph, no need to leave the meeting. Just send the photograph, no need to leave the meeting. If you have done, send me photograph. Chalo, simply if you have done, so just give me thumbs up. Those who have done. Good. Aryan, good. Aryan, Vishwesh, very good. Okay, Vanshika, good. Aryan Raghav, good. Send me your test. Otherwise, you can end the meeting, then you will rejoin. You rejoin us, no problem. If you are facing some problem related to your photograph, WhatsApp, so you can leave the meeting, then rejoin me again. Okay? Rejoin with the same meeting ID and same password. Okay.